Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today, guys, I am going to be making some eggless crispy fried chicken. So over here I have my chicken in this bowl. I already cleaned and seasoned my chicken, and this chicken been marinating for over 3 hours. Alright, in this bowl I have my flour, and I already seasoned up my flour with some all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of Sazon. I have a container with water because I am going to use some water in this process. Okay guys, make sure your hands are clean. So let's get straight into this video. Alright, and guys, I leave the skin on the chicken, but I pull the skin back and clean the chicken properly. You know that little slimy thing, I get it off. Alright, so I'm gonna go in the flour with the chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna coat it with the flour. Alright, then I'm gonna put it in that container. And make sure it is coated properly. Dust it off. Okay, I'm gonna wash off my hands. I go back in the flour, chicken, and you press down. See the little flakes going on, guys. Alright. That one right there. And I already put oil in my pot, and I can smell my oil. It is ready. You coat the chicken properly with the flour. And give it a good press. Chicken in the oil. Okay guys, so I put enough oil in the pot because I'm gonna deep fry the chicken, and the oil is ready, so I'm gonna go in with the chicken. Okay guys, it seems like we can only fit 3 for now. So now I'm going to cover the pot, and I'm going to turn down my stove on medium and let the chicken fry until it's golden brown on each side. Okay guys, so I'm about to check the chicken in the pot. Wow, look at that. Alright, so I just turn them, and I'm going to cover back the pot. And guys, when you're frying chicken and you cover your pot, you get a better frying chicken. It is moist and nice on the inside. Finished and ready to get out of the pot. Look how crispy that is looking, guys. Look at what is going on there. Look at the detail. Alright. so good, guys. So I'm flipping that over again, and you know, give it another minute and a half. Next batch. Ready to get out of this pot. Guys, so this is the last batch of chicken, and I'm going to turn my stove off and remove them from the pot. So guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit that subscription button, touch the post notification bell, so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. Like up this video and share me out. Thank you so much. So guys, my chicken is finished, so now I'm going to plate it up and come right back. Here you have it, guys. So this is the finishing touch of my eggless crispy fried chicken. Guys, look. So pretty, crunchy, looking good, delicious, mouth-watering. Share me out, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. Look at the chicken, guys. Look at the chicken. So crunchy, hear that? Look at that. Alright. So crunchy, guys. So for the ingredients, guys, for this lovely recipe, it is going to be in the description down below. Please do remember to check out all my page, my Facebook page, my Pinterest page. share me out, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Thanks to all my new members. Thank you guys so much. I welcome you all to my family. Guys, remember to be good, do good, and good will always follow you. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye, guys.